YouTube, it's party time, peoples. This is Wonder Luigi, aka LogicalWonderz, or LWG LogicalWonderz Games, Wagunlyfe Adventurez YouTube channel, LWG Automotive YouTube channel. Let's put this rain over there. In today's video, we're looking at my new to me, and I'm gonna call her maybe Red Velvet 2007 Ford Edge. I'm gonna be installing the C-Lite Jackson's LED lighting. These not fit H8, H9, H11, H16 fitments as headlight bulbs. Thank God this is right here. This is an easy vehicle to work on. Low and high beams are right there. And the passenger side over there by the report windshield washer tank and the coolant tank. Coolant. Okay, put you down here for a second. I'm going to tripod. I have to go inside and get them. Adjust this. I'm running the dual camera, so if it comes out in the video. Put this. Should have just put this on the harness. Would have made it easier. So I got both my hands free. I do have a chest harness you could use for phones and GoPros as well. Alright, so what's in the box? I'll try to find these on Amazon for you if I can find the link. There's a LED. Look right on there, it says H8, H9, H11, H16. Not touch this at all. All the glove fell down. Go grab it. I already finished my exhaust. I didn't do a video of it, but this clamp-on exhaust. Swapped out dual exhaust on it. Dual black tips. Did muffler delete. Later on, I'm going to delete the other mufflers and resonators. It sounds good right now. It sounds like a sporty car instead of an actual SUV or truck. This year, this is before they put the twin turbo, the twin turbo EcoBoost in. This is the 3.5 liter Duratec V6. I need to get me an AEM or a K&N filter for here for the airbox. Battery. It's my first time opening the hood today, so changing out the headlights for safety reasons because these halogens just yellow and too dull for me. I'm used to driving vehicles with LEDs. I still need to change it out for this rain too. But that vehicle has HIDs. This just has standard bulbs, no HIDs in this model. Maybe the Lincoln version of this, the MKX, I believe, might have HIDs. I'm gonna check. Bulb without the halogen bulb. Set it right here for now. Up in the slide it in the hole. So she should. And in the hole. So you put it in. Twist it clockwise. Lock it in. This one has no cover. Some vehicles have covers over their headlight assemblies. Take the harness, plug and play. If it doesn't turn on, just reverse it. Troubleshoot that. It's snapped in. So let me go turn on the headlight. See, it's on. Night we could compare there's 2 centimeters there. Compare the difference. Oh, it's on. Actually plugged it in right. We'll be doing the fog lights as well. Fog lights. These are white H11s or H8, H9, H11, H16. There's the old yellow lights. I also need to clean this headlight. This one looks, must be the original one. This one must have been replaced. It looks new. Put the fog lights on. There's a few glass to be on for the fog lights. They pull out the fog lights. It's like an auto. Get you these Axe air fresheners at Walmart. Smell good. I forgot which one this one is. I took the label off. Which scent that one is. Okay, so we did one side. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Walk on over here. Try and keep you guys out the sun. So the H11s, if this is facing down, turn it to the left. Slide it out. I'll be here. What you guys did. Keep my hand right here. Try to undo the tabs on the side. Tabs. Try to leave your hands on the inside. That's the side. Oh, my glasses. Yeah, what you call that thing? It's that turns dark. There it is. They turn to sunglasses on their own. There's the gold. The original halogen H11 gold. I'll say there's spares. Those keep them in your glove box. Little chunk of spares. And bulbs do bring gloves in the box with it, right? You got cotton gloves. You put your oil from your hands and bring all the dirt rising out of there. Because you naturally have oil on my hands. We're sticking your hand this way. Turn off. If you made this far in the video, I appreciate you. Thank you for your time, your love, and support. So you go ahead and put it. Grab it and slide it in. Put it in the hole. Try and get it to grab the washer and all that. Okay, it's supposed to be off. It's supposed to be to the left. So you're gonna pain in the butt. Depending on the vehicle, some vehicles you gotta take bumpers off to change the bulbs. Fenders and all sorts of stuff. Some vehicles just. Oh, there's the tap. Just trying to get that. I had it. Pulled it out too early. Behave. And some bulbs, depending on the brand, this one really has fans in it. They have fans in it to keep the bulb running cooler. I haven't checked prices lately, but usually you can get bulbs between $20 and $100, depending on the model, and the brand, and merchant. I usually try to get my bulbs from Amazon because I don't know about Temu. I haven't looked on Temu or eBay because it's too expensive at local retailers, big box stores. I think it has extra wash. Let me look at the other one. I think this is the one. This might be the washer for the other side. I'm gonna have to take one out. Yeah. For some reason, both washers were on one boat. Yeah. That's why there's no clearance. Yep. I have to take one out. The washer, there's a rubber washer on it. The video has one on it. That's weird. Must be an extra. Because with the extra one, it wouldn't fit. It wouldn't go in. Then you could store your originals in the box. Keep as a spare. Keep that rubber washer on there too. That's the brand. That's C-Lite. They make a lot of boats. They're a big company, especially on that. There's an instruction manual, some zip ties, and Velcro, double-sided Velcro to take the little boxes somewhere around the fenders if you want to. I won't put that in the video, I'll do that later. They have a customer support. Their email support@clight-led.com. This thing just says, for some vehicles with function of lighting fault detection, there may be problems such as dashboard error, light flickering, bulb will turn on, etc. Such problem occurs, please contact us to obtain a decoder. So for some vehicles you might need a decoder. For this one, so far it feels like I don't need a decoder. Just to know, vehicles with the same year, make, model may use different bulb sizes. Therefore, if you find that a bulb size you bought is compatible to your car, please contact us and we'll ship you the correct bulb to you. So they'll fix the problem if you order the wrong one by mistake. Because some vehicles do have up to 3 or 4 different bulbs, depending on their headlights. Some might be halogen, LEDs, HIDs, or a combination. These are going to be my fog light ones. Now the fog light ones I gotta see. Gotta take it off. Okay. Look at you. Reach in there. Yeah, I'll have to find tools. I'll have to take this off. Reach my hand up in there. So I'll do the fall lights in another video. Appreciate you guys who made this fine video. Thank you so much for your time, your love, and support again. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, hit the notification bell if you can. If you're on mobile, laptop, tablet, PC, Mac. Because if you're on TVs, you might not be able to hit those bells or put down any comments or share. And also, please, if you can, comment and share, even if it's just a heart or 3 hearts or smiley face, thumbs up. Thank you. This has been LogicalWonderz. I'll see you in the next video, stream, upload clips or shorts. Wishing you a fantastic, healthy, wealthy, blessed, successful day, week, weekend, month, year, life. May you have a successful and prosperous life. God bless you all if you believe in that. Peace and one love. This has been LogicalWonderz.